Thank you, MC. Honorable Minister of Mines and Mining Development, Minister Walter Chidakwa, all honorable ministers here present, distinguished guests, colleagues, friends, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of DMC, I welcome you all to this conference. The core principles of the diamond mining sector of Zimbabwe have and will always be transparency, accountability, and sustainability. This is evident through its work ethic, openness in conducting business, and professionalism reflected in producing and maximizing returns from diamond sales. The industry strives to better itself by constantly upgrading its capabilities and relentlessly pursuing its commitments. It is true that the industry is facing numerous challenges. However, the constructive, coordinated, and substantial actions it takes and its continuous determination will always prevail. The diamond miners of Zimbabwe are proactive in finding solutions, open-minded to criticism, and objective in making decisions for the betterment of their companies and the development of the industry. We believe that by working together with the Ministry of Mines, government, and various stakeholders in the sector, we'll be able to achieve the goals of the Zim Asset Program. Zimbabwe is endowed with vast mineral resources that through the Zim Asset Program will transform the country into a major economic powerhouse. These God-given resources will benefit the country, and the first step towards the fulfillment of that goal has already been achieved by the recognition of the effects of Zimbabwe's diamond industry on the global diamond industry. It was on a similar platform at the 2012 Victoria Falls Conference that we called upon our detractors to acknowledge publicly what they admitted privately and what we all know. Zimbabwe is a difference maker in the global diamond industry. 2 years down the road, the leadership of the Ministry of Mines was passed on to the Honorable Minister Walter Chidakwa, and the overdue recognition was finally made. The Europeans came calling with offers to market, sell, and beneficiate our diamonds in defiance of the illegal sanctions that they have taken part in enforcing. The Ministry of Mines set forth its conditions, and sales were held in the major world diamond centers of Antwerp and Dubai. These sales were characterized by unprecedented attendance records, overwhelming support, and successful sales results. We proved to the world the limitless potential of our industry. Unfortunately, our achievements did not go well with certain hostile elements, and our diamonds were sequestered during the last held Antwerp sale. The idea behind this act was to create chaos, disrupt our operations, and divert attention from the positive steps the country is making towards fulfillment of a better future for its diamond industry. The response, however, of our industry was that if our diamond sales could bring together world diamond traders in numbers to Antwerp and Dubai, then there is no reason that our diamond sale cannot do the same in Zimbabwe. And as first element just showed us, the numbers are outstanding. So we need to give ourselves a big round of applause for this. This led us to come back home and hold our sales to build on the success and experience we have gained from the international experiment. DMC is very confident that we can emulate the same, if not better, results with our local sales, while at the same time pass on benefits to other sectors of the economy. The theme for this conference is completing Zimbabwe's diamond potential for the future. This theme is derived from the Zim Asset Program, whose mission is to provide an enabling environment for sustainable economic empowerment and social transformation to the people of Zimbabwe. Since the industry has an interest and intention to fully implement the Zim Asset Program, DMC feels that we owe it to ourselves and to the nation to maximize returns and contributions through our operations. We will work closely with all stakeholders in ensuring the full implementation of this shared vision for the economic growth of the country through value addition and beneficiation. This vision will create a whole new industry that will grow using the latest technologies, internationally recognized standards, and most importantly, the undeniable local talents and capabilities. Zimbabwe must and will have its own diamond park that will house the Diamond Exchange, Commodities Center, Business Center, manufacturing houses, banks, exposition, and conference center. This will become the one-stop shop that will facilitate business transactions, account for sales proceeds, and expedite processing of investment applications in the various mining sectors. This will open shop to trade locally produced rough and polished diamonds that are fully certified by international gemological institutions. This can be further developed to allow for the importation of diamonds from other countries to be cut, polished, sold locally, or exported for sale abroad. Zimbabwe will become not only a diamond producer and exporter, but also a diamond manufacturer and importer. By combining our industry with the manufacturing of jewelry industry from locally produced gold and platinum, we'll be able to create more job opportunities. Zimbabwe will be able to host diamond and jewelry exhibitions where local and international firms would be invited to display their finished products, exchange ideas, and present the latest innovations in the industry. Zimbabwe will have a value chain that begins from the time the diamonds are recovered at the mine to the time they are manufactured, marketed, and sold. Various sectors of the economy along the value chain will benefit, while the mining companies will be given the opportunity to mine, produce, and contribute to the economic turnaround of the country. We'll be producing a product that will carry the label we are all proud of, made in Zimbabwe, proudly Zimbabwean. As His Excellency President Robert Mugabe said, Zim Asset should not remain just a name. It must be a practical engine. On paper, we say we need to produce products and beneficiate them. Then we must equip ourselves and sustain that development. We must be practical people now, not just theorists. I thank you all for attending this conference and for making it a success. I would like to show a short video clip of our operations. So, thank you again.